Hai korang, hari ni kita nak unboxing kita punya Agent Ali Iris. Wait, it should be more higher too. Pergi kembali tawarku. Tentu. Okay. Oh, the lighting is on point again. So, mari kita unboxing. Kore desu. Botak dah tu, tak apa. Takut baik. Okay, so okay gang, tengok lighting. Nampak baik. Lawa baik. Ali comel. Tapi tak boleh lah, aku pun nak di Xiaomi tapi kira tak ada sub. Tapi anyways, ini dia. Wait, let me like close this shit ya, macam anyways, let's move on. Let's unbox this shit. Okay, kita sayang sebenarnya kau kan saya sebenarnya sayang. Ini dia buka. Oh, balik tengok kita belakang. Ali di sini. I don't know how it works. Sayang sama dia. Dia ni Iris Protect. Project setelah cerita dia. Ada karakter music dengan lighting and sound effect. I'm so excited again. I'm actually so excited. Mari kita unbox. Oh, benar. Aku dengan fizik sekarang. Tak apa, kita unbox dulu. I actually want to put it in the box again because I don't want to ruin, you know. Dog. Okay, this is the box. Apa orang nak? Gang, bapak besar bayi Ali. Apa Iris dia? But anyways, ini dia spek kita. Weh, comel siut. Sakit dekat benda siut. Sikit. Oh, ada. Oh, macam mana nak activate kau dia? Sekarang macam mana nak activate? Wait, there's light? Oh yeah, there's light. Oh, there's light. I can't hear. Wait, there's light? Oh yeah, there's light. Oh, there's light. I can't hear. Dog, I can't hear anything. But anyways, this is the outcome, gang. Macam wait. I gotta do the move. Okay, this one's the Iris. Wih, lawa baik. Uish. Oh, ini apa? Wait, sekali. Sorry gang. Anyway, saya nak buat action macam macam aku pura-pura apakah Iris je. Wait, aku pun sama semua dah. Sama macam bila kita try. Sekejap, 1, 2. Sekejap, 1, 2. Sakit. 2, 3. But anyways guys, dia pun ada dia punya a few voice lines. Itu background music I think. Itu kalau kau pakai. Kerja kita belum selesai. Ini bukan line dalam season 3 ke? Season 3 ke movie tu macam movie tu. Tapi macam salah. Bye bro, I look so cool. But like this thing, dia ni yang buat macam tak cool sangat. Macam bro, I look so cool. Aku rasa aku tak boleh, aku main Vinso. But anyways guys, okay, bye guys. I'm gonna put this in my box. Bye.